Everyone's talking about using AI to write their resume, but here's the problem. Most people don't know how to actually use it the right way. They waste hours plugging random prompts into ChatGPT only to end up with a resume that sounds robotic, generic, and definitely not interview worthy. In this video, I'm sharing my proven ChatGPT resume strategy, a simple approach that will save you hours of time and help you create a resume that's polished, professional, and tailored to your next big opportunity. And to make this even easier, I've put together my Career Advancement Toolkit AI Edition with templates, scripts, and AI-powered prompts that you can plug right into ChatGPT. Now, the first 20 people to grab it using the link below will get access to an exclusive offer just for this community. Hey, I'm Heather Austin, a university professor turned entrepreneur. With over 20 million views on this channel, I've helped thousands of job seekers just like you build standout resumes, ace interviews, and land life-changing job offers. Now, I go live on Tuesdays at 1 p.m. right here on this channel with free job search and career trainings. So make sure you hit the subscribe and the bell notification so you never miss a session. Now, here's the thing. If you're trying to use ChatGPT to write your resume, you can't just copy and paste your job history and expect a polished result. That's how you end up with something generic, robotic, and time-consuming to fix. The good news, though, is that with the right strategies, ChatGPT or any of your AI assistants can save you hours of work and help you create a resume that's professional, personalized, and perfectly tailored to the roles that you want. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to prep your career story before you even open ChatGPT, the type of prompts that get the best results, how to fine-tune and edit your resume draft, and how to customize it for each role you apply to. And stick with me until the end because I'll share my one-line prompt formula that works every single time. And trust me, it's going to save you tons of time. So first things first, before you even jump into using AI, you need to know what you're aiming for. So the very first step is to prep your career story. This means pulling together the details of your work history, but not just job titles and dates. You want to highlight the impact you've made because remember, employers aren't just hiring you for what you did, they're hiring you for the results that you've created. So here's what to do. Make a simple list with 3 columns. In the first column, write down your role and the company. In the second column, jot down your main responsibilities. And then in the third, capture the results or the wins you achieved. For example, instead of writing managed a team of 5 people, you'd capture the results behind it. It would look something like led a team of 5 to complete projects 20% faster, saving the company $250,000 annually. Do you see the difference? That's the raw material ChatGPT needs to transform your resume from generic to compelling. And here's a pro tip. Include numbers wherever you can. Things like revenue growth, cost savings, process improvements, or client satisfaction scores. For instance, instead of something like helped improve customer service, you could try something like improved customer satisfaction scores by 15% in 6 months through a new onboarding program. Now, by doing this prep work, you're giving ChatGPT or your AI assistant powerful information to work with. Without it, you'll end up with vague bullets that don't stand out. But with it, you'll save hours of rewriting later because you've already done the hardest part, defining your impact. Next, you need to write smarter prompts. So once you've prepped your career story, the next step is to feed it into ChatGPT the right way. And this is where most job seekers get stuck. The mistake I see all the time is people trying something vague, like write me a resume for a marketing manager position. So what do you think happens when you do that? You'll get a resume that looks and sounds like everyone else's generic, robotic, and honestly forgettable resume. So here's what I want you to do instead. Write prompts that are clear, specific, and strategic. For example, try something like this. Act as a professional resume writer. Rewrite my work experience in 5 bullet points that highlight leadership, project management, and revenue growth. Keep each bullet point to 1 line long and make sure they are ATS-friendly. Here's my job history, and then paste your details. Do you see the difference? You're telling ChatGPT the role it's supposed to play, the skills or achievements you want emphasized, and the formatting you prefer. This gives you a resume draft that's already 80% stronger right out of the gate. Here's another one you can use if you want your resume to sound more results driven. Rewrite the following bullet points with strong action verbs and measurable results. Avoid passive language and make them impactful. Here's my text, and then paste your details. Now, ChatGPT isn't just spitting out random bullets. It's focusing on your unique strengths and turning them into accomplishment statements. And here's another quick pro tip. The more context you give ChatGPT or your AI assistant, the better results you'll get. So don't be afraid to paste in a few sentences about your leadership style, your biggest win, or even the type of roles you're targeting. ChatGPT can't guess your story. You have to guide it. So think of prompts as the steering wheel. If you give ChatGPT a clear direction, you'll get a resume that's polished, professional, and saves you hours of rewriting. And by the way, if you don't want to waste time coming up with prompts on your own, I've included a full set of proven AI prompts inside my Career Advancement Toolkit AI Edition. They're the same ones I use with my clients to get powerful resume results. I'll include a link in the description below this video. Now that you have a draft from ChatGPT, you need to refine and edit so your resume feels authentic and powerful. So here's where to focus. First, watch the length. ChatGPT loves long sentences, but hiring managers don't. If you see something like responsible for overseeing the daily operations of a 10-person sales team to ensure quotas were consistently achieved while maintaining customer satisfaction at a high level, you could ask ChatGPT to tighten it up. And instead, you might get something like, led a 10-person sales team to exceed quotas while boosting customer satisfaction scores. Much cleaner and much stronger. Now, second is to strengthen the verbs. If you see weak words like helped, supported, or responsible for, replace them with impact-driven verbs like led, implemented, increased, or even streamlined. For example, instead of something like responsible for managing projects across departments, ask ChatGPT to rewrite it as streamlined cross-department projects, improving efficiency by 15%. Now, that's the difference between sounding average and sounding like a results-oriented professional. And third, make it sound like you. This part is so important. If ChatGPT spits out phrases that don't feel natural, adjust them. You want your resume to match your voice and reflect your experience, not read like it was copied from a template. Remember, ChatGPT isn't here to replace you, it's here to collaborate with you. By refining and editing what it gives you, you'll end up with a resume that's polished, professional, and true to who you are. Now, before we wrap up, stick with me because I'm about to share my one-line AI prompt formula that will save you hours of resume rewrites and instantly upgrade the way your experience is presented. You're not going to want to miss it. All right, let's get into customizing your resume for each position. This is a real game changer. Now, one of the biggest mistakes professionals make is sending out the same resume to every single job. Recruiters can spot it instantly and applicant tracking systems won't score it as highly. But here's the cool thing. AI makes tailoring super quick and easy. Here's how. Take the job description you're interested in, copy and paste it into ChatGPT with a prompt like this. Compare my resume to this job description. Identify the top 5 skills or experiences missing from my resume and recommend specific changes to align my resume more closely with this role. ChatGPT will highlight keywords, skills, and responsibilities that employers care most about. For example, if the job description emphasizes cross-functional leadership and budget management, but your resume doesn't mention those clearly, ChatGPT can suggest adding a bullet like managed cross-functional teams and oversaw department budgets of $2 million annually. Another great prompt is this: rewrite my resume summary so it directly reflects the top priorities in this job description. This instantly makes your resume feel more relevant because you're speaking the employer's language. And the best part, you don't have to start from scratch every time. You keep your strong baseline resume and then use AI to quickly adjust and align for each position. This step alone will put you way ahead of other applicants because while most people are applying with a generic resume, you'll be submitting one that feels tailored for the position. So here's what I want you to remember. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to collaborate with you. When you prep your career story, use smart AI prompts refine and edit carefully, and of course, customize to each role, you'll end up with a resume that's not only ATS friendly, but one that truly highlights your impact and sets you apart in the job market. And if you're ready to take this even further, don't forget to grab my Career Advancement Toolkit AI Edition. Inside, you'll find resume templates, LinkedIn scripts, and AI-powered prompts that you can use right away to save you time and land more interviews. The first 20 people to grab it using the link below will get access to an exclusive offer just for this community. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. And if you found this video helpful, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss another session. And I'll see you in the next episode.